Swiss chard. This leafy green is actually from the beet family. It can be sauteed, braised, in soups and stews. It's a wonderful component to add this nutrient-dense leaf. Simply fold open each leaf after washing them, lay them on top of each other. For this preparation, I'm actually discarding some of the thicker ends of the stem, but you can absolutely eat them. They cook at two different speeds, as one is thicker, obviously, with the stem, and then the other being the thinner leafy green part. And I'm just chopping it roughly here into bite-sized pieces, but just slightly larger, as this is going to wilt down in the cooking process. Equivalently, you can also just cut down on either side of the stem and then remove that, fold over the leafy green, and then again continue to chop. If you're simply sauteing, you can keep the stems intact and just cook the stems separate from the leafy greens, set aside, and then cook your greens separately. Just slice up some garlic here. Whatever your preference is, could just be a couple of cloves, one, however many you'd like. Working with 3 different pans here. I have boiling water for my pasta. I have garlic oil in the background there. And then I just removed some Italian sausage from its casing. So if you don't have ground sausage on hand, but you have linked sausage, just remove the meat from the casing and brown up. Add your Swiss chard, the garlic oil, the tomatoes, right over into some pasta. Give it a good toss and you got a healthy, quick dinner for the week ahead. Separate into containers, meal prep done.